Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I make my taco rice ball. And it is so easy to make. You can adjust all the ingredients as per your liking, and it is super healthy as well. So let's go ahead and see the ingredients. So here are the ingredients you will need to make taco ball, and look at this guys, it looks so colorful, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm using today. So today I'm using cooked sweet corn 1/4 cup, shredded carrot 1/4 cup, cooked rice 1/4 cup, cooked edamame beans. I don't have black beans, but if you have black beans, go ahead and use that. Lemon juice ½ teaspoon, salt to taste, and chili powder as well. 2 teaspoons of mayo. If you have sour cream, then definitely use that. It will taste so much better. 1/4 cup of chopped cucumber. For my meat today I'm using cooked sausage, but if you have chicken or minced meat, then definitely go ahead and use that. 1 tablespoon of chopped red onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1/4 cup of yellow pepper, some chopped chili, and I'm also using ½ cup of lettuce. In a large bowl, add your rice, shredded carrot, sweet corn, edamame beans, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chili, chopped peppers, and then add your lettuce followed by the cucumber. Finally add your meat of choice, then add the mayo. If you have sour cream, definitely use that. It will taste 10 times better. Finally, sprinkle your salt and the chili powder, and then give it a good mix. Wow guys, it looks so good already. I just can't wait to eat this. Now finally add the lemon juice, and voila, your delicious looking taco ball is ready to enjoy guys. It is so yummy. I hope you guys will give it a try and let me know if you enjoyed this recipe or not. And that's about it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.